And welcome back to my Saskatchewan garden. As you could see in there, my plants are starting to come up that I've been seeding. I got my squash in the other day. We were away all day yesterday picking up some chicks. I'll give you a little quick look at those. But for the first time, some plants are coming outside because these are not the ones that love heat. Brassicas especially. Celery doesn't love heat. It likes shade. I put the columbine out to get a little breeze and a little normal air and stuff because it's very hot in that greenhouse. We're getting hot weather. And these onions are just fantastic. Let's see here. Oh yes. See the root development? They're already at the bottom of these pots. It did not take long. On the agenda today is I'll probably get these things watered up a little bit, and I have to do some garden cleanup. There's our 94 meat chicks. The first time that we haven't lost any in the first 2 days. We've only barely had them 2 full days, so they're 3 days old now. And last night, we brought the rest of our heritage birds home. It was a very long day on the road because we had to go far north for this. So we have a total of, 18 and 10, so 28 right now. I have 11 eggs in the incubator yet. 4 of these are ours. 6 are from one person that has the same breed as us, and then the other 18 are the standard Cornish from the other lady last night. And they are some beautiful color patterns on these little guys. You just take a look. There's the standard white. There's also the dark. That one's a dark Cornish, which will be a super dark brown with a little bit of flecking when it's mature. And these ones with the brownish looking backs. Oh, it's hard to get it on the zoom here. That one and one down here. That is partridge coloring. I'm not quite sure what that really looks like as a mature bird. But boy, there are some pretty ones. Strong, healthy little birds. This little one's showing off. He flew up there. Yes, they can fly when they're only 2 weeks old. They have just enough wing feather to do it. Get down, don't fall in the hole. Come on, you little fart. Get down. Don't fall in there. There you can see, that's the hyssop coming back from the bottom of the sticks. Some of the upper reaches might have grown new, but I want it to come back from the bottom this year so I can collect more of it for herbals. There you can see a stem that I chopped off. There was a few of them that I couldn't see in that grass. That's why I need to chop it all down. My asparagus is coming back nice. Yum, love asparagus. Those are established enough that that won't hurt them anyway. Because I would have been picking them if I'd have seen them. Yay, it's done. Thank you. Well, you can see it looks so much better in here. These get chipped up with the shredder when we bring it down here. This is the one garden patch. Let's take a wander to the other one. This is looking super nice. Really, really like that. Much better. There's those stalks down there at the end. I'll just zoom in. There you go. Sunflower stalks run all the way down there. Some got chopped a bit. Forgive the wind, it's terrible again. It's cut down a bit. But this is just so much nicer. And I was looking at my lavender plants. Of course, that's the dead ones from last year. But I did poke around in there and the roots feel like they're still alive. So that may possibly come back. We will see. I found a few of the lovage plants, so we steered around them with the mower. But this is so much nicer. Much, 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 much better. There's still those to clean up, but actually I'd rather throw mulch on top of them all. Easier. So begins a little bit more of the gardening season. Love it.